Are you ready for the future of spare parts manufacturing? 3D printing is revolutionizing the industry. With great innovation comes great responsibility. How can we protect intellectual property and monetize 3D printed spare parts effectively? Our new white paper, Protection and Monetization of 3D printed spare parts, offers comprehensive insights into this cutting-edge field. It explores the challenges and opportunities in 3D printing, include IP protection and licensing. Download it from WIBU.com. Our white paper delves into market demands. Learn about the economic challenges, material developments, and quality assurance needs shaping the 3D printing industry. It delves into CodeMeter technology. Discover how WIBU-SYSTEMS CodeMeter technology provides robust IP protection and streamlined licensing for 3D printed parts. It delves into business process integration. Explore how CodeMeter integrates with ERP systems and web shops to create efficient and secure workflows from order to license activation. The white paper also gives you insights about case studies and applications from real-world examples and showcasing the potential of protected and monetized 3D printed spare parts. Read about economic perspectives and future outlook. Understand the economic potential and future developments in the 3D printing industry. Whether you're a manufacturer, supplier, or technology enthusiast, this white paper offers valuable knowledge to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of 3D printed spare parts. Do not miss out on this essential resource. Get our white paper now from WIBU.com and position yourself at the forefront of the 3D printing revolution.